Hello everyone, welcome to new series of learning Python programming language. This is a second series of Python programming, and in this series I'm going to teach you how to use different data structures in Python. When you hear the term data structure, the first thing that comes in your mind that may be a stack of books, a queue as when you stand in a line to buy coffee at a Starbucks or booking movie tickets, or sets that offer the mathematical operations like union, intersection, differences and symmetric differences, and others mathematical operation related to sets. And dictionaries, another useful type of data structure in any programming language that is also supported in Python. It's a type of map. Map is a pair of key and value. Dictionaries are sometimes found in other languages as associative memory or associative arrays. Unlike sequence, which are already indexes by range of numbers, dictionaries are indexes by keys, which can be any immutable type. Whether it is string or numbers can always be a key of dictionary. So we will see a few observations based on this data structure in coming video of this series. These are some concepts like list comprehensions, nested list comprehension, tuples, sequences, looping techniques, comparing sequences and others type. The main aim of this series is to make the solid foundation of data structures in Python. Are you excited to learn Python data structure? Yes, I am. So let's dive into this. I'm waiting to see you in the next video. Please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to hit bell icon to get latest update. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment below. I will try to reach out to you as much I can. I hope you have been subscribed and liked, and thanks for watching and stay tuned with me.